passing the phone to a has-been or however boss fact.
I'm passing the phone to someone that has the worst classmates known to man.
How do you know? Anyways, passing the phone to someone whose sleep schedule is just the worst thing known to anybody living on planet. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I'm passing the phone to someone who's madly in love with a fictional character.
So, how the fuck? Anyways, I'm passing the phone to someone who can go almost the whole day, sleeping without realizing it.